Hello, my dear friends. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Guruji Education Wala. Today we are going to learn about the OR function in Excel. It's a logical function. So the use of logical function is that in OR function, whatever may be the logical test or logical conditions are given. If all the conditions are true, then it will returns true. Or any one condition is true, then and also it will returns true. But if all the conditions are false, then and then the OR function will return false. Okay, this is the basic use of OR function. Okay, so consider that we have the result data. Okay, so we are going to check if any student is having the 90 or more than 90% marks in the exam. Okay, if any of the student is getting the 90% or above marks, then this OR function will return true. If none of the student is getting the more than 90% marks, 90 or 90% marks, then and then it will return false. Okay, so let's see the formula over here. The OR formula is given over here. OR formula starts with OR, then bracket open, then logical condition or logical test 1 comma, then logical test 2, and it will return true or false. Okay, here we are going to check the different cell values, and we are going to compare it with 90 or greater than 90. Okay, if it's 90 or greater than 90, then it will returns true. Okay, if all the conditions are true, then it will be true, or any one condition is true, then and then it will returns true. If all the conditions are false, then and then it will return false. So let's start the formula. In this cell is equal to OR function. Okay, bracket open, then first cell is, we are going to check the first cell, that is C21. Okay, the value contains 90, is greater than equal to 90, comma, the next cell, okay, is greater than equal to 90, comma, the next cell, that is 69 value, is greater than equal to 90, comma, the next value 55, or cell C24 is greater than equal to 90. Okay, it will, that this OR function will check all the condition given over here. Okay, so first is that 90 is greater than equal to 90, it will true. So obviously if any one condition is returns true, then whole function will returns true. Okay, so obviously this function will returns true. Let's see the answer. I am going to press the enter button. It will returns true. Okay, so this OR function will returns true. Now we have seen that only one value contains 90 or more than 90 percentage, so it will returns true. Okay, a single value can return the true. Now we are going to change this 90 percentage as a 60 percentage, and let's see the output over here. What will be the change over here? So I am going to press the enter. So it will become false. Why? Because all the conditions given over here, all the values are less than 90. That's why all the condition false, and that's why OR function will returns false. Okay, so I hope you will understand this OR function over here. So if you have any queries regarding OR function, or you want or more OR function related videos, please comment below. I hope you are like my videos, so please do like my videos and share my videos and subscribe my channels too. Thank you so much.